And we're live. Fantastic. This is great. So, jamming some indie tunes on the side. Guys, from what I can remember from yesterday, we are going to check the current balance before attempting to buy and sell to make sure we have enough. So like, let's see on start, see what our bot is doing. Wait for it to go online and do its thing. Be fantastic. Hopefully it does its thing. And it's up. So now we're gonna say let's buy some ETH since it's so low. Oh, it didn't work. I wonder if it didn't work again because of my amount. Let's just do a quick available or balance. I don't have any available balance, so I can sell ETH. I could maybe sell ETH. Can I sell ETH? No, I can't. Okay, well this is a good point for me to test now, like what available balance I have, you see, because I need to have like the available balance, you know, to sell and buy stuff. Selling, sorry, I'm just trying to think. Also, there's a moth on my screen and I murder it violently. Die! Oh, guys, I'm fighting a moth. Why is it such a chop? Okay, I'm trying to kill it and I can't. I'm incapable. He's an absolute wizard. He's literally been inside my hand and won't die. Okay, I got him. I think I got him. Crush him with something. Okay, there we go. So, oh wait, I know I don't have any available balance. It's all in my wallet. My bad. I need to move my ETH out and all the other things out as well. So I'm moving the Ethereum out, I'm moving the Bitcoin out, and I'm moving the USD out. Maybe I shouldn't move the USDC out because I want to test something where, like, you know, if my balance is not right, then I need to be okay, you know. Okay, so we still have to wait a bit on that. So theoretically, what we're gonna need to do is we need to, okay, these are all just functions. Do little stuff. To be honest, I can move this into its own little folder and have like a utils thing. Well, you know, inside here we have like index.ts, which will be all of this. We ditch this like that, and then we'll add a little utils file. Because these little extras, they're just making my code base like massive. So these little functions, they're all in the same, like, call them utils and export them all. Export every little function. Because they're all like, you know, little cute functions. I think we'll end up having an interfaces file as well. Let's go back here. You see all these interfaces. They're all useful to be in their own little folder, because this is getting too big to look at, like, you know, in just one file. So let's go over all the interfaces and we'll export them all. Right. And then we pretty much have the constant, which are these. These are all constants. So let's put them into a little constants file as well. Constants.ts. They're all related to the Luno API, so yeah. Authorization. Okay, Luno API key. I can get that from there. I can get this from there. I can get base 64. I don't know where to get base. I can get base 64 from there. There we go. It's cleaning some code up. Yeah, so we don't need this anymore. Which means we don't need that, which means we don't need all of this. Yeah, this we can get from interface. I'll save, that should fix itself. What's wrong with this? Oh, okay, I can't find clients anymore because we're one level deeper now. That's fine. So round price to pair, we can just get from there. That we can get. We're just gonna auto import all that stuff. You see, it's importing all back up here, which is all good. Spread, I also need from constants. And I think by leaving it out like that, it's gonna be easier to, like, you know, I don't know, update it, I guess. Now that I'm thinking of it as like different things. Authorization. Wait. Oh, yeah, we need to import authorization from constants as well. Authorization. Did I? Yeah, I did. Oh no. Thought I fixed this yesterday. Can I just make this called words? Damn it. Guys. Max line length. Can I do that? Ah, shit. I hate this thing so much. Let's see if I can add a rule here. See, what's that count supposed to do? Oh, 3 words. Can I say 3 words? Must make it 1 word. 1 word? That works. I guess the question is, does this still work? Yes! Oh, guys, we figured it out. We're no longer gonna have pains looking at that. Yeah, this is gonna need that. What's wrong with this? Missing return type on the function. Oh, okay. We are returning a number. I thought you knew this already. Didn't know that we're returning a number. Oh well, I guess it wants it to be explicit. That's fine, we will tell it to be explicit. That's fine. Yeah, there's some missing things here. So sticker, we must import that. We need to import our little pair here. And we need to import order. Yeah, cool. I'm getting attacked by another moth. Sorry guys, hang on while I fight insects. There's so many of them, I don't understand. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna make a big light somewhere far away from here so that they're attracted to that. I'll be right back. Okay, sweet. They should not harass my screen as much anymore. I hope they won't harass my screen. They should all go to the other room over there. Okay, so our big problem right now. Ugh. Doing that. I don't know. I guess it just makes sense. Anyways, so our big problem now is when we try to buy something. So there we calculate the minimum number of USDC required to buy the minimum ETH volume. This for the buy thing, yeah. Let's try that for Bitcoin as well. I think our balances should be updated by now. There we go. We have some Bitcoin, we have some Ethereum to play with, which is good. So we have to calculate the minimum. Is that a to-do? Volume. The volume. Okay. So we need to do a check now after we've done the volume. We're gonna say if volume is volume's a number, right? Crap. Keep it as a number, and over here we'll convert to .toString. So we're gonna say if volume is bigger than, we're gonna need some extra stuff for the fees. So we're gonna say if volume is smaller or equal to the available USDC. How do I get available? Oh crap. That's my problem. Is I currently get my available stuff in a different API call where I get the balances. So I need to set up something that actually fetches my balance like regularly, like every 10 seconds or so. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Or it's gonna need to, yeah, it's gonna need to fetch my balance like really regularly, like every 5 seconds. So before I can do this if volume thing, we gotta, I guess we have to do it down here as well for the ETH one. Wow. Convert this volume to that, because that's USDC volume. As far as I know. Sheesh, I should really write cleaner code. The more I look at this, the more I think, oh, what a mess. But I don't know, we can figure out how to clean it up later, I guess. I guess we just want to see how it works and stuff and get some better ideas based off of that. So, yeah. Hang on, I have a thing. Little question. Right. Okay. Sorry, I had to make some tweaks to all our setups. That's all fine. Right. Why is there a red line? Oh no, don't tell me this. Okay, so this is something to do with the word count. So like, let's put on before save and set that to false. Okay, and let's count the characters here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 40, 48, 51, 52, 50. Okay, so let's make this like 60. Because if I look at this, like that, yeah, I think we have like a 60 there. Oh, what's the problem here? So let's view the problem. Okay, it just says it expects that. So what we actually need to do, okay, so we'll set this on true. But now instead of doing words, we're gonna do max line length and make it 60. Maybe this will fix it. I'm always gonna have to tweak this. Oh crap. Oh shit. Oh, these settings. New line after count limit. Let's just say the count is 60. Alright, is that good? Except if there's only one. Oh yeah, that works. I think the main problem is that these settings, like this number, what we need to. The count of units before import is new line. Okay, so that's so units is like just characters. Okay. So theoretically, we're gonna need to keep the balances in here. I even have an array for it. So available. Right, I'm gonna need an available and I'm gonna need a balance. Yeah. So theoretically, back in here, I need available. What is prices? I guess I could make another one called something amounts, and then just make this like a number. That's probably a good idea. Okay, we can have amounts. Get that from there. And then available and balance are different numbers. Bear that in mind. But we're also going to have a balance for amounts. And that will be like a ticket thing. Oh, no, not this again. Okay, guys, it's fine. So I think the number here needs to be like 55 or something. We'll just keep tweaking until we get it right. Oh, flip. Unless we need it to be 50. 40. 80. Maybe it is 80. Maybe that works. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. We have an amounts thing here. Probably like 70 or 75 or something weird like that. But we know that that's what it works. Sorry, I just see to type some stuff here. Okay, sorry. Right. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. Okay, we're good. So, right. What was I going to say? What was I going to say? Oh, my colleagues are being so nice. Okay, so what we need to do is just start here. We're going to monitor prices, but we're also going to just stop monitor balances. And the balances will get available and balance, like, you know, for that. So we don't need to worry about buy. We don't have to worry about sell. Monitor prices, though. Yeah, I don't know. I don't freaking know things. Oh, guys, I need a pee so badly. Hectic. So many things. Oh. Okay. So. What am I doing? Monitor balances. So we're going to make a private function asynchronously monitors, monitor balances. Because I'm liking these little daily streams where we just try and get a little bit done every day. Quite a blast. The plan is we should have, what are we gonna do? So we have a fetch tickers here. Kind of makes me want to like move this up because it's completely like not attached to anything else inside the, like this doesn't have to be part of the class, does it? Doesn't rely on any class related stuff. I can just move it out to be its own function. Because that just runs, right? It doesn't take any parameters, nothing weird like that. So we have the utils, and then we'll have this called API calls or APIs. Because we could theoretically just make this, instead of putting this here, put it here, the asynchronous function. And we can export. Get tickers from there. Fetch is going to be a node fetch. Sort that out. Authorization we already have. I mean, we'll get import authorization from constant. So like this makes it a lot easier to see where everything is, like, you know, without it loading up that main page there. We have the APIs here. Should be good. This market order, similar thing, you know, we have like an input, like a bunch of inputs. So this market order can literally be taken out, stuck into APIs. It's just a export async function. Okay, it's just from the interface. Okay, wow, this is making me feel a lot better. And then post order as well. You just need a post order. This is fantastic. See, this is a lot more bearable. We could probably break the other things up into smaller functions later too, now that we are doing this. So we'll export asynchronous. Instead of being private, it's going to be an async function. So we can just call orders from an interface. Oh, that's good. So now all of these, instead of saying this dot fetch tickers, we'll just call fetch tickers. Instead of saying this dot market order, just call market order. Great. Instead of calling this dot get order, do get order. What are these called? Get order. Yeah, they are. Straight up getting the order. Okay, cool. Don't have to call this dot market order anymore. We just call market order. We're good to go. Because we have to pass, like, you know, items to it anyway. So dot post order. Oh no. Wait, what? Post order. Oh, I missed this one. Yeah, this needs to get out of here. Also go to the... And we'll make this a asynchronous function. We're gonna export this get order. I want to make this alphabetical. So get order will go over here. Fantastic. So now we have a bunch of what do we really have? We have a bunch of little things. I'm gonna take out these console logs because they're just cluttering up the place. But we have a bunch of like nice little orders going on here, which is great. So now theoretically I should be able to get rid of the this.post order. Fetch it. This.get order as well. We can just fetch it. Market order. There we go. Everything's coming together nicely. A lot of the post orders. Don't need that. We don't need the get order. It's just get order, which is good. The market order. Post order. Where all of these, like, I'm moving out and cleaning up my code base so that it's easier to read, because we obviously leaving it and coming back every day. Okay, so now we only have this monitor balances. It also makes me think. No, okay, so this is important because this monitor stuff makes us, like, keep actual values. So do we have any this stuff in here? This dot. Okay, so when you buy, we get the ask value in there. Right. I mean, these could probably be broken up into smaller like cases as well. I just don't really know what's the best way to clean it up. We can worry about it later. So we want to just get const balances. Is going to equal await fetch balances, and we'll fetch balances for everything. So we're going to have to add fetch balances to do this. We'll make a new function called export async function fetch balances, promise void. Or, I mean, we're going to have like an unknown any. I don't know what it is yet. No, this is going to be a void. No, it won't be a void because we need to fetch something. Yeah. For now, we just return an array. But yeah, we're going to do this whole try catch thing. I'll just kind of follow the template that's going on below us. Very new error. We'll just say failed to fetch balances. We'll say e.message. Cool. And here we say const res equals await fetch. I'm gonna have to look up the API for this. For now, we'll fetch that, and we'll do the normal copy paste this. The if there's no res.ok, we'll throw a new error. Let's say failed to fetch balances. Good. Response stickers. I guess like I should look at the response better and see what the actual message was, with like URLs and all that stuff, but we'll update that later. Okay, let's just see how this works. We'll say await.json, res.json. And then we'll return whatever we get. I'm gonna look up Luno API docs. We need that right now. So let's see. View API documentation. And we want to say accounts. This balance is what we're gonna need. And we'll say balance. And it's an array. So theoretically we'll have balance. And we want to return balance as balance array. Don't need this return statement anymore. And I need to implement this interface. We're gonna go here and we're gonna say export interface balance. And we'll have an account ID. I could spell account correctly. Account ID is going to be a string. Asset will be a string. Balance will be a string. Name will be a string. I remember this is going to be a problem. Reserved will be a string. And unconfirmed be a string. Yeah. So it's quite a lot to this. I'm gonna need to find out what my actual etc ID is, but we'll just keep that in constant. It's fine. Balance. Fetch balances like that. And then we'll console.log balances after we fetched it. Balances. Yeah. I think that's it, really. It might not be like perfect, but we've made some progress. Yeah, that should be correct, actually. We know that it's going to be a balance now. That's what we're fetching. So we should be good there. And now we can run start. And we should be able to see in the console over here the balances that we get. Cool. Trading bot's now online. And then it should do the fetch. Oh, we're fetching tickers. Not what we meant to do. We meant to go API 1 balance. Okay, I can say what assets I want. So I'm gonna say we only want XBT, ETH, and USDC. So theoretically, this is our APIs. This is our main class. I guess I need a console.log the res. See what's going on there, because it looks like it failed. I'm not sure why it failed. Let's see, why did it fail? Bad request. HTTPS API 1/balance. That's accounts. Yeah, this is right. API luno.com API /1/balance and then /assets. That's correct though, my assets. It is a get. We are using authorization. I'm confused. Why is this not working? I'm about to sneeze. I wonder if anyone else can see what's wrong. Yeah. https:/api.luno.com. Okay, that's the same thing. That's correct. Why is this happening? Okay, what if I remove this? That should theoretically work there. Because the method get is correct. It is a get. We've got our headers in there. Okay, that worked. Okay. So the assets part doesn't work. Let's see if we put it in an array. Like this. That changes it. I wonder how this works. Try that now. . Bad request. Look, Luno bros, I don't want to have to do this to you. Do I have to say and assets, and assets, and assets? This? I wonder if that's how this works. I don't know. I don't do these very often, so I'm a bit rusty on the syntax. Okay, that didn't work either. Let's see if just one worked. Oh, no wonder that didn't work. I really messed up my syntax there. Yeah, let's see. Will this work? That did work. Wow, that actually did work. Did it work? Ditch the res. It seems so messy though. Yes, we went USDC. We have 2 ETH and 2 XBT. See, this is what I was talking about. We're gonna have multiple wallets, and I need to know which one is my main wallet versus savings wallet, because we only want the main wallet ones. So I need to look on my phone now and confirm. But we're gonna make some export const main BTC ID. We're gonna make export const main ETH ID and export const main USDC ID. Yeah, because we need to know which one's a savings account and which one's our main account. So I'm gonna look at my actual Luno account. Oh, flip, something went wrong, so I have to sign in again. For 1 second. We should be able to be good here. Doing my thing. I'm just on my phone at the moment, so you can't see what I'm doing because I need to like authorize some things. Okay, so as of this moment right now, in my main BTC wallet, I have 0.001149. So 0.1149 is this one. This is my main BTC ID. In my main Ethereum wallet, I have 0.0145. 0.0145, so that's my main ETH ID. And then in my USDC account, I have like nothing, like 735 fraction, which is this one. So now we are able to see what balances we have. Well, we don't see what balances we have, but yeah, we're able to see what balances we have, and we can look at through our balances. Their balances dot for each. Their balance. So we don't even have to say balance. We can say come on. I guess I have to do. I hate the syntax thing. I wish it would just recognize it like automatically as soon as you do this. Yeah, so we have account ID. We have. Oh, it's balance and reserved. So I have to get balance and I have to get reserved. Oh, I have to get the asset as well, actually. Okay, well, it's fine. We'll say if asset equals... Wait a second. XBT. I'll do a switch statement again. Switch on the asset. Case XBT. Break. Case ETH. We'll break there. Oh no, we need if statements. If oh, actually, I don't even need to know the asset because I know my main wallets. So if my account ID equals main etc id. Then we'll do the same thing if account id equals main eth id. If account id equals main USDC ID, we'll do our stuff. I guess we'll do a bunch of else ifs, because they are theoretically else ifs. Then we're gonna say price. Wait, did I do it at pairs? Yeah, look at my interface quickly. Pair is just a string. I must actually say asset. Okay. Then I need to say this dot balance equals this dot balance equals the number. Or not even this dot balance. This dot balance dot BTC gonna equal the number of balance. Cool, we'll do the same thing for ETH. And we'll do the same thing for USDC. Fantastic. I almost feel like I want to update this. Not this. This. So, we have to say it's a string. Yeah, we do. Yeah, because this did not exist or something. Kind of weird. We'll figure that out later. And then, I didn't want to do that because we want to say reserved. Just dot available. Dot BTC equals number reserved minus number. Oh, I mean, it's the other way around, isn't it? Balance minus number reserved. USD. I feel like we can just calculate the asset. Const assets equals, and we say, yeah, do this all down. Say let assets equal an empty string. Let assets and then be a string and be undefined. And then we just say asset equals etc, like that. And then over here we say asset equals, and finally that, then we say asset equals USDC, and then we say if asset exists, then we'll do this. I feel like that's slightly better, you know? Asset is used before being assigned. No, it's not. I don't know. Asset. If asset not equal to undefined, what I should do? Come on. Oh, okay, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do the typical this. Make it a constant. Using me. If it's that, then it's BTC. Otherwise, it's that. Then it's ETH. Otherwise, this. Then it is USDC. Otherwise, it's undefined. There we go. We don't need this crap over here. Gotta equal that. There we go. That's our new strategy. Hope that's good enough for us. Even just say if asset now. Good. Freaking fantastic. Okay. Now we know how to get up balances. And then I guess we just want to say, you know, call this every 5 seconds. Make that 5 and say balances. To start monitor balances, yeah. Okay. And we will console.log the start available and console.log the stop balance every time. And we will stop logging that balance. And let's just see if this works. If this works, I'm going to call it quits here. So I feel like I've done a good job. And I also need to get back to my main job. How long have we been going for? We've been going for a good 46 minutes, so it's a good time to end. Okay, there we go. So we see we've got Bitcoin. We've got, you know, this. So we have an available balance, which is good. We go back here and we decide to buy some BTC. Buy some ETH. Oh, crap. Not good enough. Yeah, we don't have enough money to ETH. We want to sell some BTC. Successfully created buy order. And then you can see our balance is slightly different. So it's always going to show... I guess I have to say balance. Available. So we do available and then we do balance. Kind of cool because this fetches everything. Okay, now you got things that are not available because we are, you know, buying and selling, you know. You see, so we have, and we might need to round it off. So what we could probably do is get the what's the method? Round price to pay, I guess. And how does round price to pay work? We take a number and we round up or down. Oh, crap. Yeah. This function is actually going to be very much like a... What's wrong with this? Can I say round price to pay like this? How do I... Wait a second. Math at function. Okay, well, whatever. I'm gonna say const amount. Const available. I'm gonna equal that. And then I'll say asset equals USDC. We'll do a round price to pay of available. Otherwise, we'll do round units to pair available. Hopefully that works. Let's try this now. Then maybe I can sell some ETH. Right. Balance. Wait a second. Okay, well, I'm gonna do /t there, and I'm gonna do /t there. Maybe those will balance each other out. I need to... I say const func, and that's gonna equal this. So we're gonna say what the function is, and then we will just say func available, like that. And we'll do a func around this as well. I think that is correct. I don't even think this matters as much. Maybe we keep it like that. Call it round. Okay, now we do this. I think we need an extra /t there. Fantastic. So, oh, I got too many /t's there. Try this. A lot of the Luno API is quicker than Twitch. Okay, cool. That is great. So now we can see over there, like we can actually see, you know, what we have, etc. So we've got available, we got balance, and we'll console.log an empty line. Okay, fantastic. So now, if I sell some ETH, it works. We create a new buy order. We fetch again. Now you can see we have more US dollars available. Because I think it got sold immediately, actually. Did it get sold immediately? Okay, no, we sold some Ethereum. Did we not make a new buy order? Wait, do we do buy orders back on sales? We do counter orders on a sale. We get an order and then we post an order. Yeah, we successfully created buy order 1 ETH for so many US dollars coins. Maybe another sale went through. Okay, let's try sell more ETH. Okay, there we made a sell order. And we immediately have the same amount of US dollar coins available, but we should have less ETH, which we do. Available, the balance, because it went to sell, then it sold. We have slightly more US dollar coins available. Maybe it makes sense, I think, because we sold it, worked, and then we made like 2 cents profit, you know. Okay. That makes sense. This theoretically means I can buy some BTC though. Oh, nope, I don't have enough to buy BTC. Can I buy ETH? I should have enough to buy ETH. Oh, crap. Buying is just broken. Okay, that's a problem for tomorrow. So tomorrow to do. First to do. Fix buy orders. Because buy seems to just not work. Let's see if I can do it on my phone. I'm gonna, I guess, like down here. Yeah, I'm just gonna see if I can buy some. Oh. Let's see. BTC. BTC's gone down quite a lot. So I should be able to buy some. I'm just trying on my phone quick. Okay, we're gonna buy some. I don't have enough USDC. My available calculation. Oh yes, that makes sense because I have USDC, but it's not available. This is the available USDC. Okay, the buy is actually working. I just need more of this to work. Yeah, we don't have to worry about that. Oh, this has been a good session. Hey guys, I'm gonna end the bot there. So let's just commit that. Implemented progress on monitoring, I can't spell, available balances. Push. That's great. Then tomorrow we can hook that up and then we can say not enough funds. Yeah, fantastic. That's really cool because we I don't know what we're gonna say. But yeah, either way, that's awesome. That's really fantastic. Oh, that is great. Blast. I don't know what I was gonna say other than that. Haven't figured that part out yet, like at all. Anyways, guys, I need to figure out who to raid. I think I'm gonna raid Tay again because I usually raid her. So let me hit her with a raid. Let's go /raid Veritays. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's just me. Nobody else here. Why am I being so silly? Classic silliness. Anyways, guys, it's been good. We'll catch you guys soon. Cheers.